My name's Helen Brown and I own and run Kecks Clothing based in Bristol. I have worked in arts industries and retail for a long time, and I used to work in a tattoo studio. In fact, I was training to be a tattoo artist for a while. And while I was doing that, I took some of the designs that I wasn't using or that weren't commissioned and put them onto clothing. And I was also making my own clothing from t-shirts and things like that to wear in the studio to look a little bit unusual. And from working in charity shops and things like that, I've always made my own stuff, and people have always asked me where I've got it from, and I thought instead of recommending other people's work, I'd take it on myself and might as well make my own business out of it. Upcycling is often confused with recycling. Recycling is taking something and breaking it down to its base elements, so reprocessing it completely. So with a fabric, you turn it into what's called FUD. It's made back into cloth and things like that, so it's highly processed often. Upcycling is taking a raw product and doing as little to it as possible to repurpose it. So you might take a dress and basically cut it out and make it into a bag, or you can take a t-shirt, like an example of the sort of thing I do, and draw or paint onto it or re-dye it or cut it. Taking any kind of like factory process out of it, it's direct from source to person really. So yeah. I've never understood why more people don't do it. It's always quite baffling to me. I don't understand the attraction of the new. There's so many wonderful pieces of fashion out there. There's textiles, and especially as we seem to be on a wonderful loop with vintage and retro fashions, those things keep coming back. And textiles are very durable. Things like denim can last for literally hundreds of years. So I think it's great for people to reuse this stuff. It also creates a really more interesting fashion environment, and it's good for all of us. There's a great community in Bristol for doing this stuff. I'm glad that I'm here. It's opened my eyes to it, and I just hope that more people take upcycling on, and I'd really like to see everyone doing it. I'd like more businesses like mine to be in every town. It can be done. And yeah, it's life changing. It's making me happy, and my customers seem to be happy too, so it's great.